This video is a guide on replacing the full covers on DLX FC pulling winches. Be sure your winch isn't attached to a load. Then start by removing your winch's handle from the drive shaft. You'll need a 3/4 inch wrench to remove the handle nut on DLX FC models 1200 and 1500, and a 15/16 inch wrench on 19s and 23s. Removing the quick attach handle on a DLX 2600 FC does not require any tools. There are 2 Allen screws and 2 Allen bolts on these DLX FC winch covers, and we recommend only using hand-operated Allen wrenches when removing them and installing a new cover. Use a 1/8 inch Allen wrench to remove the 2 top cover screws on the back of the winch. Then you can pry off the top cover from the side plates and the Allen bolt at the front of the winch. Remove the cover bolts on the non-handle side of the winch with a 9/64 inch Allen wrench, and slip both side covers off of the winch. Place the new side covers on your winch until they meet in the center. The longer side cover bolt should be inserted near the drive shaft or shafts of your winch, and the shorter side cover bolt goes near your winch's reel. Tighten them both with your 9/64 inch Allen wrench until there aren't any gaps where the 2 side covers meet. It's now time to install your new top cover. On DLX 12 and 1500 FC models, the cover's 2 outside hooks go underneath the bolt, and the middle hook goes on top of the bolt. On DLX 19, 23, and 2600 FCs, the metal plate on the top cover needs to be slipped underneath the bolt. If you're having trouble getting the cover correctly positioned on the bolt, you may need to slightly loosen it with your 9/64 inch Allen wrench. Move the ratchet pawl into its slot in the cover as you lower it over the winch. Press the top cover down so all of its protruding pieces completely snap into the slots of the side covers. Then use your 1/8 inch Allen wrench to snugly tighten the 2 top cover screws on the back of the winch, being sure not to over-tighten them. Slide the handle back on your winch's drive shaft. Then you can retighten the nut to hold it in place on all DLX FC models except the 2600. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to let us know what topic or product you'd like to see show up in our next video.